Hi everyone, this is Princess Ariel. I've been thinking a lot about the month of November, the whole thing with, the cutoff of food assistance and SNAP, and then eventually next month into December will be cut off from Medicaid and Medicare. And what I can do as, a fellow human being to try to help people um, with growing their own food, flowers, that type of thing. So I want to start off with a seed exchange program through my Gmail, which is greengossipgirl.com, which is a Gmail account. And what you do is I will start to post videos of seeds I have that I want to trade. So we'll do like a trade off through our mailing system. So if you see something that I post that you like, just email me at the Gmail account, Green Gossip Girl. I'll see it and I'll respond to it. And then we do exchange, address exchange. You tell me what seeds you have. I have my seeds, and we'll trade seeds out. We send them through the mail. This time around, I'm asking for anyone who wants to donate to my group. This will help with paying for the, packaging, any kind of stamps and stuff like that, because I'm a little low on funds at the moment, but I still want to go ahead and get this kicked off. So we do need volunteers of people who want to donate. So always hit my cash tag for Cash App. That's always appreciated. 50 cents to $1 is what I'm asking people to donate if they're interested in supporting my seed exchange program. Once again, I'll start off posting videos starting around the 1st of what seeds I have. If you're interested, always email me at Green Gossip Girl and we'll do a seed exchange. I'll take any seeds that you have. We just put them in an envelope, send them through the mail. We just exchange email address. If you don't feel comfortable sending out your personal address, it's always good to have a post office box that you can do this with. And if you can't afford to trade seeds and you just want the seeds for free, I'll be glad to send them to you anyway. This is only for people in the United States, just because the cost of postage it can get very expensive outside the United States, thanks to all the turf wars and stuff going on with the United States and other countries. So I'm basically keeping this to people in the U.S. because it's fairly, $1 can get you a package of seeds to whatever state you're in. So I do want to start a seed exchange trading thing. That way, you can start growing at home. And be sure and check out my showcase gallery for products for indoor and outdoor gardening. You can garden year round if you do it indoors, and you can always do it temperature control, hydroponics. There's many different ways to go about it. So I'll post some things as well there. Be sure and check out my showcase below. Just click the orange cart below and you will see also products that I have for sale in my showcase gallery for those first time home growers, indoor growers and outdoor growers as well. I'll try to post for both. And welcome everyone. And this is Princess Ariel. Thank you guys once again for listening. I do feel horrible about people losing their food assistance and their livelihood. So the one thing that I know that I can do is trade seeds. I have a ton of different types of seeds, vegetables and flower seeds, and I'm willing to give them away just to help out getting people used to finding ways to grow food at home, as well as going out and finding ways to get food from the food pantries and things of that nature. You can do multiple things in a time of crisis, and we can only build community this way. Um, and so, if you guys have any feedback, any suggestions, or anything like of that nature, you can always reach out to me here. And thank you again for listening. Bye.